Well, hello. I just received my box. I've been waiting for this. Look at my names on there. Ah, thank you, ladies. I just received my box. I was coming low on my treatment, and I can't say enough about Ungex. These guys are fabulous. And I'm going to open my box. And valuable information, actually, that I've even shared with my family members and friends and people that know what my condition, what happened to me. I didn't even know these things existed. But, oh, look at how cute. Big thank you. Oh, I love it. I love it. They send me stuff like that. And this was a free one. And this is Demodex hair tonic. Oh, I love this stuff for my scalp and my hair. Oh, fabulous. Let me see what else I have here. This is the soap. I love this soap. It's awesome. It has many ingredients and healthy ingredients in here, but I love the scent of the peppermint the most. Got more hair tonic there. Got more soap there. Here is the SDT. This is pretty good also. This is not as strong as the Pro, which I'll show you in a minute, but it kind of is the before you hit the strong stuff, or sometimes I use it during the day. But this is the heavy hitter right here. Oops. Okay, Pro D Demodex treatment PDT. This stuff is awesome. You're gonna feel it if you have infestation with these little guys. You're gonna feel it. I recommend you go through the literature. They have these cute little colors here you can put on the bottles. See right there, so you don't get mixed up. But these guys know what they're talking about. They are very knowledgeable in this field. I call them experts, and it took me a long time to find them, and I recommend them to already a few people are calling me. So anyway, I just wanted to share my new box, and I'm so happy this came today. It's early, and I got a slew of defensive products in here to help me get back to normal and get rid of this. Thank you, ladies. Love you guys, and I'm one happy camper.